In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva Image Upscaler. If you've ever tried to work with a blurry photo, a low resolution graphic, or a small image that just doesn't look good when enlarged, Canva can make that process much easier. Instead of struggling with pixelated results, you can use Canva's built-in image enhancement tools to improve clarity and prepare your image for a cleaner final export. To get started, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage and signed in, look to the top right corner and click Create a Design. This opens the menu where you can choose the format for your project. Next, select the type of document you want to work in. You might choose something like an Instagram post, a presentation, or a custom size if you already know the exact dimensions you need. After your blank canvas opens, go up to File, then View Settings, and turn on Show Margins. This gives you a helpful visual guide so you can keep your image positioned neatly within a safe layout area. Now it's time to bring in the image you want to improve. On the left-hand side, click Uploads, then choose Upload Files. From there, select your blurry or low-resolution image file from your computer. Canva supports common formats like PNG, JPEG, and WEBP, so most image files will work just fine. Wait a moment for the upload to finish before moving on. Once your file appears in the Uploads panel, click and drag it onto your blank canvas, then release it to place it on the page. After that, click directly on the image so Canva knows that's the element you want to edit. Along the top toolbar, select Edit Photo to open the image editing options. In the editing panel, scroll until you find the Effects section and look for the Enhancer tool. In some cases, you may also see it listed as an upscaler or image enhancer in the Apps area. Click into that tool, then choose Enhance Photo. Canva will begin processing the image to reduce blur, sharpen details, and improve the overall quality. If an intensity slider appears, adjust it carefully. A moderate setting often looks more natural, so it's a good idea to preview the result rather than pushing the effect too far. When you're happy with the image quality, do a quick final check. Move the image slightly on the canvas and use Canva's alignment guides to help center it if needed. Then go to the top right corner, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG as your file type for a high quality result, and finally click Download to save your enhanced image. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.